This is Akedeasha News.
Oyo Unified Cultural Festivals. Brazilian ambassador pledges participation. The Oba Apetu, Obatala Ileife, Willa Amilda, a cultural ambassador and Brazilian native, has pledged the commitment of Brazilians' representation and participation in the forthcoming Oyo Unified Egungun Festival and the World Shango Oyo Festival, amongst others. He stated this during his familiarization tour of the Western states as the newly crowned Apetu Obatala of the Ile-Ife Kingdom at a courtesy visit paid on Wednesday to the Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism Ministry in Oyo State, Dr. WASIU OLATUBOSUN.
Oba Apetu quer dizer, the one who appease, who brings the peace from the world. The responsibility that Obalesun has taught me, a responsabilidade que Obalesun me ensinou, was to spread the peace among the civilization. Espalhar paz diante da civilização and unite all the people and all the religion through the wisdom of our ancestors. Unir toda a civilização através da sabedoria de nossos ancestrais. And so,
the commissioner, in his response, lauded the gesture extended by Oba Amilda and his entourage towards identifying with the cultural heritage, traditions, and customs of Oyo State. Olatubosun further spoke on the efforts of the state government under the able leadership of Governor Seyi Makinde in creating an enabling environment for tourism to thrive. He said that the security architecture in the state has placed Oyo foremost amongst other states as a haven of peace. The interconnectivity of the road network leading to the 5 geopolitical zones in the state also creates a major ease of access to over 160 tourist sites located in the state. Olatubosun also seized the opportunity to talk about some of the sites and monuments in the state and the planned events coming up in the state. Some of the highlights were Iyake Suspended Lake in Aduawaye, the only natural lake in the world, Iyamopo and Agbele Hills in Igbeti, Shogidi Lake in Awe, Twist Festival, Ibora, Unified Egungun Festival, and the recently UNESCO-approved World Shango Festival, Oyo, amongst others.
Using this opportunity to sell your state, so that develop interest in your state, see how you can talk to Brazilian investors and how you can also look at what you can do in your state, so that we have the market, we have the people, and we are very accommodating.
While speaking, Oba Almeida stated that his mission as a cultural enthusiast from Brazil to Oyo State is to bring up all the people in the diaspora to keep up the cultural heritage, thus launching Oyo's image beyond the shores, adding that Brazilians are lovers of tradition. During their visit, the group was taken on a visit to the popular Okelaiko known as Bar Star at Okeare, Ibadan. The entourage was led by Araba Olatunji and Ayaba Oluwakemi Shomorin of the Ile-Egbe Efunlashe in Brazil. Opeyemi Oguniyi, reporting for Akedeasha News.